Just flying the South Shore. Really, I wasn't planning to land at JFK today. I was just gonna kind of fly nearby and see how busy it is and think about maybe doing another time. But I saw an opportunity. Newark's been pretty busy. They're coming in every few minutes, so I don't think Newark would have worked out too good today, but JFK wasn't busy. There wasn't anyone holding short or on final for the runway. What happened was they cleared me to go on the South Shore at 1,000 rather than at 500 and said they'll keep me higher unless there's any arrivals. So I realized, hey, it's not busy, might be a good opportunity. And things are starting to pick up now, so there might not be another opportunity like this. So I decided, hey, let's just do it. Get in for the visual. There's no one on or near the runway. And by the time we were touching down, there's like 3 planes holding short waiting for me to land. And that was pretty, very exciting. Very, very thrilling experience. I don't think I would get to do that any other time of the year. So that's great. And Mooney's a great airplane to do that in.
4361 Hotel Kennedy, cleared for Kennedy Cliffs. Rob, you can stay out of below 1,000 for now. If I get an arrival, I'll tell you to go lower if you want to stay a little higher. That's approved for now. You got a VFR target. Appears to be a banner tow out the window just south of the Marine Park Bridge at 400. Might be reversing course.
Mooney 4361 Hotel. The only thing I could approve is will be a full stop taxi back. I'll stay to the left of 50. You want that?
4361 Hotel, roger. 4361 Hotel request full stop taxi back 31 left.
4361 Hotel. Roger, you have a field in place?
4361 Hotel, affirmative.
Alright, Mooney 61 Hotel. You are cleared for the visual approach runway 31 left. Wind 290 at 6 and runway 31 left to the land.
31 left, middle land, 4361 Hotel.
Kennedy down, Delta 730, hold 431 left, to
730 Kennedy Tower, roger, one arrival.
Delta 730, hold 431 left, to
At 730 Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, line up and wait.
line of weight, runway 31 left, Delta 730.
61 Hotel, turn right at the next intersection, Mike, then right on Bravo, and hold short of Kilo. Delta 730, runway 31 left, wind 020 at 6, clear to take off.
Let's take off 31 left, Delta 730.